Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, help me help myself. Please help me help myself. Izingane zesithembu. Alright, sharp. Did you hear that uAmahle might have been out of the relationship? It's alleged that Ugo has deactivated her Instagram account, removed all pictures as Nosibindi, and I did not see the removal of EP Intombezake Nosibindi, but in the live that she did, she said yes, she has deactivated her Facebook account. And also her Instagram account. And yes, Usbindi's pictures of her will not appear because she was the one that had tagged Usbindi with those pictures. Meaning Usbindi was not the one that posted the pictures. Excuse me, but rather Amahle tagged Usbindi on those pictures. Now, people on the streets are alleging Uguti this was barking. What is the best way to use it? It was not a real relationship, but it was scripted in a sense that Amahle was never there. Even the lobola did not go where it should have went. And now, if that is the case, they have played with the credibility of Abakongi, because we take Abakongi very seriously. When those guys will go to lobola any other girl, we were not going to take it serious anymore. Number two, they have played with the credibility of Izingane Zesithembu, because should we believe that it is scripted, we're not going to go and watch it like we used to do. We're not going to go and comment on it like we used to do. Three, they have played on the credibility of the cast members. One being Umusam Seleku as the father, as the one that was leading this whole thing and saying Siobolobola gaso. Two, Usibindi as a man, it means Uguti Vele, what they're saying about him, Uguti, he's not a serious guy, Henji, Ipopai, like that's exactly what it's going to seem like. Three, Utirelo, meaning Utirelo would do anything and everything to keep Usbindi, even if it means lying to the public. Remember, they had lied before about the virgin situation, and now they are lying again. So this would then mean Utirelo is willing to do everything and anything to make sure that she's the only one, and to make sure that she keeps Usbindi, which looks bad on her from a female perspective. Now, furthermore, it would make Amahle look like Upopai, who was willing to take money and to act in such a manner where she like it makes Amahle a more even Popeye at this point, if Amahle did subscribe to such content and allow to be used in that manner. But again, I'm just waiting for the season to end so that why did Ugirl deactivate her account? I'm hoping that she deactivated her account for her privacy sake, or maybe she could come to the screens and say the relationship didn't work because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But she must never under any circumstances say Uguti we were role playing, basically pretend. That would mean Uguti she's not an honorable person. She cannot be trusted in any way, shape or form. That's just me. But I think South Africa and Tirelo's fans would be happy, because at this point, people want to see Usbindi without a woman. They want to see Usbindi single. They want to see Usbindi suffering. And they want to see Usbindi not building lesithembu lesi athi uzosibuilda. But now, if the foundation yesibindi yesithembu sikaSibindi is built on lies and stories, no, ukaya ngisamthatha serious, angisayibukeli kwamina le into yezingane zesithembu. Because remember, other people thought Uguti Usamke was acting nan until they saw Umacele Umacele embracing the child, Umacele accepting the child. Why did they at that time they believed Uguti Vele she's not acting? Because people see Umacele as a credible person, as a credible source, as a genuine person. Now immediately they had an encounter or an interaction with umacele, then everybody's like, wait, was it is good? Oh, okay, then it means usamke unkosikazi vele ngamampela. And for her sanity, usamke uye wayenzani wavala ama comments so that whatever they bring or whatever they want to say to do, they can do it without responding on her thing. It will just be us blabbing our big mouths, making videos, and she will see from there, which she can choose to simply move from that video. But having seen her posting umacele and the baby again now, we know ukuthi the relationship has been solidified. Yo, schowa. Yeah, i-relationship ihlanganisiwe bazalwane. Ikopantshitswe i-locked ka gore sekgowa ke seo se re disebo mlume ti mlume ene se nlume ne a sa dlala le nna shem. But ke, what do you guys think? Yes, Amahle Biela Agaseko on Insta. I tried. I'm not on Facebook, so I couldn't check Facebook. What worries me is that people believe Uguti there was no relationship to begin with. And if that is the case, then Biela has just put herself in a corner, which I believe she is going to regret for the rest of her life, because from this point onwards, she will never be a credible person. Furthermore, Usbindi kept the picture yaga Tirelo no Mabiela. It's still posted. It's still on Tirelo on Sbindi's post. Now, question is, how is Umakale feeling about the whole thing? Because Utirelo has not posted herself in the same, like she's not posted herself where she is with Gelingslo. Umakale. And furthermore, I've not seen her reaction in anything. What she had posted was just a status saying Humaruru, meaning it's cold. But we don't know what is it cold in the relationship? Is it cold in the streets? Where is it cold? Maruru a kai fandi 1-1. I'm worried, Bazalwan. I'm worried for Sbindi's credibility, for Sbindi's whatever, because from now on, whatever he does, we're not going to take it serious. We're not going to watch Izingani's Estembu. We're not going to watch Utando Nestembu, because from now on, we're going to paint all the shows with one brush. Will I be happy though if Amahle is not in that relationship? Vela, I will be happy, because I have seen how Vuyokazi exited the relationship, and how Usbindi did not care, even about her feelings, and how he continues to, like, the things that he continues to say on podcasts, they are just not on, like, they are not nje. But Amahle, girl, I can see that you love TikTok lives. Can you please, for our sanity, for our sake, go back to your TikTok likes and tell us what is happening? I will be patiently waiting here. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.